Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 10. Tell me about grandfather. Comprehension. What were the children learning about in class? कि बच्चे क्लास में किस चीज़ के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे, क्या सीख रहे थे. The children were learning about families. बच्चे families या ख़ानदान के बारे में सीख रहे थे. Did Ali know any stories about his grandfather? कि क्या अली अपने grandfather के बारे में, दादा जान के बारे में कोई कहानी जानता था? No, he did not know any stories about his grandfather. वो अपने दादा जान के बारे में कोई कहानी नहीं जानता था. Whose part did Ali play? अली ने किसका किरदार अदा किया? अली played the part of his grandfather. अली ने अपने दादा जान का किरदार अदा किया. What did Zara say about it being windy? Zara said that it was not Wednesday. Zara ने कहा कि आज Wednesday या बुध का दिन नहीं है. Why do you think the three children giggled? आपके ख्याल में तीनों जो बच्चे थे वो किस लिए खिलखिलाकर हंसे या खिलखिलाए? The children giggled because they found their story funny. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो कहानी बनाई, जो सोची, वो उनको मज़ाहिया लगी. Some of the words in the story were not heard correctly. What did the listener hear when these words were said? कि कहानी में कुछ अल्फाज ऐसे थे कि जो ठीक से नहीं सुने गए. जो लिसनर था उसने उनको किस तरह से सुना जब उससे ये अल्फाज बोले गए. शॉप, होप, विंडी, वेनसडे, थर्सडे, थर्स्टी, स्टॉप, शॉप, बिल्ड, बोल्ड. The letters of the following words are jumbled. What are these words? You will find them in the lesson. कि सबक में आपको ये अल्फाज मिलेंगे. ये जम्बल्ड फॉर्म में है, इनकी तरतीब जो है वो ठीक नहीं है. हम किस तरह से इसको सीक्वेंस देंगे तो हमारे पास एक वर्ड बनेगा. जैसे हमारे पास ये लेटर्स हैं, तो जब हमने इसको सीक्वेंस में लिखा तो ये हमारे पास वर्ड बना थर्स्टी. B1 ब्लोइंग, C विंडी, D क्लैप्ड, E गिगल्ड, F शेव. Add not to the following. Example, the bus became hot, the bus did not become hot. कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं हमारे पास, इसमें हमने not का यूज़ करना है और उनको रीराइट करना है. I shaved today. I did not shave today. They could hear very well. They could not hear very well. I do want to get off and shop. I do not want to get off and shop. It is Wednesday. It is not Wednesday. I am sure it is Thursday. I am sure it is not Thursday. Ali scratched his head. Ali did not scratch his head. चैलेंज है, शेयर अ फनी स्टोरी अबाउट योर ग्रैंडफादर विद योर क्लासमेट्स. कि अपने ग्रैंडफादर दादा जान के बारे में एक मज़ाहिया कहानी अपने क्लास फेलोज़ के साथ शेयर करें. आई हैव नॉट सीन माई ग्रैंडफादर, ही डाइड बिफोर आई वॉज बॉर्न. हाउएवर आई हैव सीन माई कज़न्स ग्रैंडफादर. माई कज़न इज़ माई आंट्स सन. He is of my age. His grandfather is of very short height. He is hardly 4 feet high. My cousin has told me that a thief happened to enter his house. His grandfather was awake. He got afraid of the thief. He jumped right under his bed. The thief searched for the keys everywhere. He didn't find them. The grandfather was looking at the thief. When the thief was tired of searching, he sat on the bed. The grandfather got so much afraid of the thief, he uttered a loud cry. The thief jumped and ran away. Write questions for these answers. यूज डिड एंड वाज। ये आंसर्स हैं, इनके हमने क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं और डिड और वाज का यूज़ करना है। ग्रैंडफादर वाज बोर्ड। वाज ग्रैंडफादर बोर्ड? दे विस्पर्ड एंड गिगल्ड। डिड दे विस्पर एंड गिगल? दे गॉट ऑफ टू हैव कॉफ़ी। डिड दे गेट ऑफ टू हैव कॉफ़ी? Next one is describing words. Words which tell us about naming words are called describing words. कि ऐसे words जो कि हमें naming words या nouns के बारे में बताते हैं उनको हम describing words कहते हैं. Underline all the describing words. Aslam is an old man but he is a strong man. Old and strong are the describing words in this sentence. He lives in a small house. House naming word और small क्या है इसका describing word है. His house is in a large village near a wide river. Large and wide are the describing word. Aslam has a fine boat. Fine. Look at the huge fish he is pulling out of the deep water. Huge and deep. Read these words and repeat them aloud. Heat, cook, coat, feel, meet, look and other. Add these words to the list given above. इन words को हमने इस list में add करना है. First of all, meet, beat, seat. सीट को हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. लुक, टुक, बुक. बुक सेकेंड वन. गॉट, फ्लॉट, बोट. बोट थर्ड वन. व्हील, हील एंड रील. लुक एट दीज वर्ड्स. थिंक ऑफ समथिंग ईच वर्ड could describe. Write down the describing word from the list and your word. Example, brilliant, diamond. Can your classmate guess which describing word you have paired with it? When you have finished, use the phrases in sentences of your own. मतलब कि एक describing word हम ऐड करेंगे और उसके बाद उसको sentences में यूज़ करेंगे. Brilliant, brilliant effort. He made a brilliant effort to get good marks. Delicious, delicious pizza. We ate our delicious pizza. Ugly, ugly thief. The police killed the ugly thief. Strong, strong bodyguard. Our school has strong bodyguards. Famous, famous poet. Allama Iqbal is a famous poet. Tall, tall girl. Anisa is a tall girl. Pink, pink frock. Fatma is wearing a pink frock. Sticky, sticky fingers. All his fingers were sticky with chewing gum. Naughty, naughty boy. Ali is a naughty boy. Poor, poor beggar. I gave 10 rupees to the poor beggar.